from Junior Science Experiments, and today we are also going to do a really good experiment and I'm really excited for it. So its name is Light. Any ideas? Any guesses?
Light. Under the table.
Why are you like under the table? Always under the table. Okay, so light travels in a straight line. Okay, so this is basically the topic. What I'm going to explain you and tell you by showing you doing an experiment, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to prove it to you that light really does travel in a straight line. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start the experiment! So here are the things we will be needing. A Play-Doh. Okay, Play-Doh. So if you want to know how to make a Play-Doh that you don't have such a big Play-Doh or Play-Doh at your home, you can check out our recently uploaded video on how to make a Play-Doh at home. That will be pretty helpful for you. And here we have 3 cardboard pieces which we made a hole inside them in the center, not up, not down, not left. No, sorry, not right, not left. So, and one thing more, we made such an artistic hole, you can see, but still, anyways. And you can make these holes by using a knife, drawing a circle in the center and using a knife to cut it, or you can use a punch hole machine to make a hole in the center. See? So, and a mobile, okay, basically we are using this phone's flashlight. That is what we need. You can use a torch instead if you have, and a book. Yeah. So the first step is to take this Play-Doh and make 6 small balls. So here we have cute, tiny, little, small Play-Doh balls. So now we're going to take these 3 cardboard pieces and then take the Play-Doh, place it like this, okay? It's a stand, kind of a stand. Then again, no, thank you. I'll ask you for the last one.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to place the second one a little bit, move it a little bit away, and then place it. And then put the third one over here, put it equally, and then put it. So guys, now we have set the book standing over here, and now we're going to we have also turned on the flashlight of the phone, and then now we're going to place it in front of the hole inside the first cardboard piece and see what's going to happen. So I'm going to place it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, can you see that book? Polly pointed. So guys, now I'm going to slightly remove the middle one cardboard piece from between, and now okay, and now you can see there is no light appearing on this book, which shows that light travels in a straight line. Because if I put it back in its place, the light will appear back. So guys, for this video we're going to provide you with an explanation So when we light the torch and place it in front of the cardboard pieces, the light travels through the holes and the light appears on the book cover. As soon as we slightly displace the middle one index card, the line of vision breaks as the hole in the cardboard no longer remains aligned. The cardboard blocks the path of the rays, so you're not able to see the light. This shows that the light travels in a straight line. Now time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed this experiment and don't forget to try it at your homes and mail us at the given address below, and also don't forget to subscribe and like, and also don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye!